We're going live.
Broadcast is live, it says on my end.
We're going live. We're going live. We're going live. What's up, everybody? This is the Stock Explorer. I got Michelle Morar on here for a little Saturday Night Live stream, testing out the StreamYard, and we're going to kind of do a little Q&A with Michelle Morar and her little friend there.
This is Talking Toucan. Let me show you. This is got this at a yard sale today. I'm gonna sell it. Comes in the box. It came in the box. Freaking A. Hey.
We're going live.
I gotta fix it back in there. Then we'll see.
What's up, everybody? If you're here, definitely give me a comment in the comment section.
So give us a comment. Give us a comment.
Leave us a comment.
Say, Michelle.
That might be a keeper, Michelle. He might be a keeper. I don't think I'd be able to put that for sale.
I know. Tim
hey, like, we got Brian Roshetsky. How you doing, Brian? I'm trying out StreamYard. I like it so far. Oh my gosh. Ready? In the tiki room. Ah!
This is a vintage whatever, but it does not work. I tried to fix it and I couldn't, so it is what it is.
Young Tesla, bro. I wish I had Tesla money, Brian. I wish. What's up, Rasta Stocks? All right, we got Rasta Stocks in the house.
Rasta Stocks is on there too?
Man, I wish I knew how to add you on here, Rasta. That would be pretty awesome.
You can add him. I don't know how, but you can add him.
I could send him an invite if he drops me his email in the chat, and Brian too, if you want. I can put your pictures up here if you guys aren't shy, but not everybody wants to go live. But
why do they not want to go live, Nora?
I couldn't get Tim to go live. Randy Russell at Yahoo. Okay, I can give that a try.
You can't say it over the internet.
I'm giving out everybody's. You know what? I don't think I can because I'll have to click off of here and then it'll mess up our StreamYard. I think. Man,
I don't think so.
I don't know. I could try to do it on my phone. Actually,
I wanted to ask you a question really quick.
But yeah, let's get into the Q&A. You can go ahead and shoot some questions for me.
Oh well, I can't shoot any questions. Let me.
Yeah, well, don't shoot me. No.
You don't like guns?
Don't shoot. I saw you had a bazooka last week.
Guns?
You had a bazooka.
Why
it was
not?
In your thumbnail. I like that. That was cool.
That was not it wasn't a bazooka. That is what's it called? Dang it. I'm old, so I can't remember.
Was that an AT-4?
It was the bayonet. It's called a bayonet. That was a bayonet that was that I sold for eBay.
Yeah, but you had something else. It looked like a phone, like a Nerf gun or something. Let me do something real quick, guys. Boop, boop, boop. Sent. Okay. I'm gonna try to forward this to Ross. There it is. See, you got me.
Well, you're talking
crazy. Like I don't know what I'm talking about, man.
Well,
there it is.
I thought you were talking about the other thing.
No.
This is a little toy gun. It's not real. It's not real. I'm gonna shoot people. Look, I got this too. I want to show you. I got this too. This reminds me of my uncle, Albert.
Is that a monkey?
This is a monkey. I hope you can see.
Is that for the ape nation out there?
No, it has nothing. I love monkeys. But look, this is why I love this. Okay, you see, it's got a fish up here, and
I
he's in
like
his
it
business
too.
suit. He's in his business suit, and he's doing loans. Okay, he's smoking
No
a
way.
cigar. He's smoking a cigar, and this is what it says. The one on the wall, is a trout. I'm the shark.
You find these gems. Oh my gosh. That's another keeper. I like that
well,
too.
I am keeping this one. This reminds me of my uncle. He was very influential in my life, and
Aw. Well, maybe you should keep it.
I am. I'm keeping that one. That one's staying there.
Yeah, Brian, I saw that in Austin. I was just saying Austin's one of the cool cities I wouldn't mind. If I had to move from Orlando to another city, Austin would be definitely in my top 5 list. And that's scary.
What's scary?
There was a mass shooting in Austin, Texas.
Oh.
Yeah. A lot of injuries. I don't know how many fatalities. It's sad. People just out trying to have a good time.
Are we talking about stocks or current events?
Well, I was answering Brian. Yeah, it's happening everywhere. We had a police officer attacked in Orlando, so it happens everywhere. But yeah, we were going to do some talk about how I find stocks to swing trade and how do I decide which ones I like and how do I make money.
The reason I'm asking you this, one of the main reasons, I don't know, you've probably not seen some of the videos and stuff, but I love the $1 to $1 million, and basically it's 20 consecutive doubles. Okay, so you had a double this past week. I wish I had listened to you, and I'm saying to you, how did you find? Because honest to God, you can seriously those. I mean, I have already, in AMC already probably. It's a 2-bagger right now.
You're talking about
Clover.
Clover
is the one that you had done.
Clover, believe it or not, I had made $100 on Clover and I decided to hold it and it went back down. So I lost the whole $100 just went whoop. But I held it and it's going to go. It looks like it's setting up to go back up. And the next time it does run up, I am going to cash it out. So I did. I could have taken the 100. I thought it was going to get a lot more momentum, but a lot of people started this whole thing about, Clover's owned by Citadel. Don't buy Clover. It's a distraction. They're infiltrating the Wall Street Bets community, and it's a trick. And then, of course, it was a big sell-off. But I do think
I think you know what I think. I don't think it had anything to do with that. I think it was a squeeze, and the squeeze happened. Is what I personally think. I mean, I could be wrong. I'm not a guru or anything. I'm just saying. And I heard all the same rumors and all that stuff too. But I mean, I don't know that I totally agree with that, because if you have a squeeze, if it has that big of a squeeze, then the squeeze happens on a Friday and boom, it's over. It doesn't last forever.
Right.
I mean, I'm just saying.
I'm in it now. I don't want to sell it at a loss. I wish I had jumped out quicker.
Now listen to me. If you listen to this part, I will absolutely. I mean, I'll give you some advice that I tried to tell Timmy, and Timmy, my husband, would not listen to me.
Yeah,
he's in it at a big, huge loss. But I told him, I said, he's all about pot stocks. He really is all about pot stocks. He loves his pot stocks. Whenever we did go to Florida that time, Nora, we went down there and we got into Tilray, and boom, it went massive. It went like a jet fuel. And I said, honey, it's not going to be forever like that.
Here's the thing. It does the whole pump and dump thing when it went with a news catalyst. But if you're patient when it dumps, and if you get down in when it dumps, and you
go and get more,
I'm talking about 3 or 4, 5, 6 months worth of patience. you're going to make money because they do slowly ease back up. A lot of it's an overreaction. The pump
I
is
know.
an overreaction. The dump is an overreaction. And then it starts to do what it's supposed to do, nice and easy, but you have to hold it long term. A perfect example is sundial. A lot of people grab sundial, what was it, at that $3.50 or $4 mark at the top, and they are still holding that thing. Luckily, my average on sundial now is like 127. So I think by next week or the week after, I'll be good. I'll be green
You think
on
it's going to
sundial.
double?
That I might. I mean, if it goes to 5, I'll have a double bubble on that. What did he get in Tilray at? I have never bought Tilray, but
well, that's what I'm saying. It was back in, I think it was 2018. I can't remember, whenever it first came out, and we got the double, but then he wanted to hold it, and he lost the money. And that's all I'm saying is, if he had listened to me, I'm just saying it's his money, and I will give him advice. But if he doesn't want to do it, then But I think he's learned his lesson now. I don't know. Well,
here's the thing. I take losses all the time. I mean,
not
all the time, but occasionally
this
I
was a
take
big,
a loss.
big loss.
I make more wins than losses. That's the losses are normal. It's part of the game. It's part of it.
How big the loss
So
is.
don't beat up Tim too much. I mean, I'm sure you guys are hitting. You're hitting on what you hit on AMC. I know you did. I know you hit on AMC.
Well, I had a little bit of win in AMC earlier in the year too, and I hit on I made some money in GameStop, but I was in it to get in and out. I was day trading or swing trading that. I was not, seriously.
Yes. I sold one last week. Sold it when it went over 300, and I think I sold it at like 3 something. So I cashed one out, and I have one I'm holding in case it does like a mega squeeze, like 500 or 600. I'll at least have one that I can cash that out if it goes like jet fuel, rocket fuel to Mars. But I don't have a lot because they're expensive. You know what I mean?
I do. But I was just, like I told you the first time, whenever I did the whole thing, I was in MVIS way before anybody knew anything about MVIS.
That's a great stock.
And I'm out of it now because I've got.
You cashed out.
I cashed out. Okay. I made money though. I bought some and then made some money on it, but I learned. This is the whole point, is I learned. I mean, you're not going to be perfect. I think that's one thing that most people are not willing to do, is they're not willing to learn how to do it. And you bought what prompted you to buy that course from the dude?
So when I first started trading, I started looking into penny stocks. When I first got Robinhood, I started looking into penny stocks, of course, because you can get a massive amount for a small amount of money. I got on Facebook. There were several of these Facebook groups that were, penny stock trading groups. Of course, you start to see the topics, the conversation, the hot stocks. You start to get a few ideas for the watch list and things like that. And someone said, yo, check out Peter DiCarlo. This guy's got a great channel. Check it out. So I went there, and I realized that he was starting an academy, which comes with the private access to the Discord. And I think there were like 30 students at the time. And I jumped in right before he raised the prices. He says, join now, $30 a month. If you lock in now, you lock in for a life. Like, basically, I can pay that price for life. It's $100 a month now. The benefit of it is that you have access to someone that is an experienced investor, but not only that, they've created 60 hours of courses and lectures to teach you all the basics in a very easy to learn way.
Does he have some of that on his YouTube channel?
He advertises it on his.
Some of the lessons. Does he have some of the lessons on the?
Absolutely. A lot of the very same content is for free on his page, And he also created the Traders Helping Traders page, which also has a lot of great information on it. That's gone up to 17,000 subscribers in literally 3 months. It's a grand slam YouTube channel.
Well, I was going to say, one thing that did impress me about what you were saying. I don't know if you said it on Friday or what, but you were talking about you took your your initial investment out and you were going to let the other ride. And that's a very important lesson that a lot of traders do not realize. And that is a very conservative aspect, but then you can just let it ride and see where it goes.
Absolutely. There's no losing sleep. Of course I want it to keep going up, but if it doesn't, I'm not risking the capital that I've worked hard to build up. It's capital conservation, and that was just a strategy. Now, yes, would I love to go all in with every last penny, and maybe, in the future we'll look back and say, man, I wish I loaded up the boat on that, but we don't know. We don't know how this is going to play out.
I was going to say, they were talking about, I was watching Tim Pool the other night, and he was talking about AMC and everything, and he was saying I have some, but they were talking about how some people are they're loading up and they're borrowing money to do this and leveraging. And I would not be, honest to God, I would not be leveraging, especially in this environment. I seriously would not be, because that's how people die. I mean, they, commit suicide because they lose everything. So, I mean, I'm just,
I have been mentioning that in my last few videos, more towards the end of the video. I said, listen, don't use margin, which is what they call the money you can borrow in the different brokers. They call it margin and make it sound very harmless. However, if your stock goes down, it takes twice as much money just to get back up to where you were. And they can at any time make a margin call, force you to pay it back, and they don't give you a choice. They can liquidate any of your stocks. So if you have Johnson & Johnson, you have Nike, you have all these stocks that you absolutely love, when they margin call, they're taking those too, buddy. They're taking whatever they want to get their money back, and your whole portfolio is going to be destroyed. I don't wish that to happen to any of my friends or anybody listening to my channel or your channel. So I've been trying to say, don't use margin. I have used it on occasion, but I use it just like I would use a credit card. I pay it off at the end of the month. I don't rack up credit. That's not how I handle my money. I mean, I can see how tempting it is to do it, because if you think this thing's going over 100 and you're borrowing money to buy shares at $50 and it's going to 2x, it does make sense to pay their 3% interest or whatever they charge you. But you just don't know when they're going to do that margin call, and it's game over. They're going to have a field day.
Well, I mean, I totally would not be in leveraging, especially right now with, I mean, you don't know what, everybody thinks the stock market is just going to continue to go up, but history teaches us that it will not. It will not continue to just go up, up, up.
That's exactly right, Michelle. The thing I'm thinking about is, what if a stock market crash or major correction happens right in the middle of this thing before it squeezes? What is that going to do to everybody's plan, everybody's get-rich plan? No Lambos, nobody's getting a Lambo. Everybody's probably going to get kicked out by their wife or husband.
I've already got my Lambo.
Yeah, that's right. You got the Lambo.
I had to sell the other one, but I've already got another one. I've got a black one this time. Black one. This one is
oh, nice, sweet. Yeah, you got the Lambo doors on it.
But the thing is, well, this is authentic. This is a real die-cast Lambo. This is no joke. This is.
That looks legit, Michelle.
It is. It's a Lamborghini Murcielago is what it's called.
Nobody can say that Michelle didn't get her Lambo. You heard it. You're seeing it live. There's proof right there.
Yeah, but I had to sell the other one. I had the orange one. The orange one was my favorite. And I'm telling you, I had the hardest time selling that. And I didn't want to sell
Really?
it. Yeah, I sold it this week.
Some little kid or maybe an adult has.
I don't think it was a kid. I think it was
It's probably a grown
my
man
car.
with their dream car sitting on their shelf waiting for AMC to squeeze.
Hey, I want the real orange Lambos. What I want.
I like that color too. I would rock an orange Lambo.
This is nice. It's not. This is I mean, anytime you have a black sports car, they're nice.
That's pretty sleek. I like it. I could see you in that, Michelle. You might want to get a couple more AMC shares.
Who said what?
You might want to get a couple more AMC shares.
I know. Okay, 2 more because it's 200,000, right? 100,000 each. So I need. Well, I think it was 200 and. The orange one that I was looking at was 200. I'm thinking it was $206,000 or something like that. Seriously, I think it was. But you're right. I would never spend that much money on a car. I mean, when we're ready for retirement and stuff. I mean, that's it, if you spent $200,000, that's 1/5 of $1 million. 1/5. Yeah. So what are you gonna? I mean, seriously, what do you? That 200,000, I would rather have making me money, income instead of having to pay for it. But there's people that are gonna. I mean, it's when they get that money, they're gonna go off and buy a car, which is a depreciating asset.
That's another great topic, Michelle. What I would do with the money and what a lot of people are going to do with this AMC money are two different things. I'd be putting that right into some solid investments. I'd be putting that in some dividend stocks.
Well, I would just be putting it in I would be putting it in the dividend stocks. In fact, I have a dividend portfolio, and honestly, the little weekly dividend portfolio that I did at the beginning of the year, I've got one stock in there that is almost doubled in price.
You don't think of dividend stocks as doubling, but they absolutely can. Look at Coca-Cola, fantastic. Well, I mean, it's a Warren Buffett favorite, but
I do have Coca-Cola. I do have it.
Yeah, I like Coca-Cola.
But I'm a huge dividend aristocrat. I love it. And as far as that's concerned, if I had $1 million, I would put it so that I would get paid each and every month, and maybe even the weekly deal.
That's a nice. I mean, that's a nice plan for the future. Just get that divvy check distributed,
then you don't have to worry about whatever.
Right.
Are people asking questions? I don't see anything.
Yeah, they are. It's on my chat. Brian says his average in Sundial is 90 cents. Don't forget to like the live stream. Rasta's asking me to resend the link for him to get on the StreamYard too. I was trying to do that really quick on my phone for the link. He wanted to hop on the video too, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to multitask and figure that out. You can do a little dance number while I try to do that.
I do love this stupid bird. I love this bird.
I kind of like the bird too.
What? His mouth moves. Watch.
I think you should keep the bird. You should make it sing "Making Money with Michelle."
I gotta see if we'll. Making money with Michelle. Say it.
Making money with Michelle. Making money with Michelle.
Oh no, that's a keeper. That's a keeper.
Oh my God!
Keeper,
Did you hear it? Tim.
That's a keeper. Make it say Nora Stock Explorer.
What you want?
You guys are carrying on too much. I'm back here trying to relax. Just a second.
What you want to say? This thing is killing me. This thing is killing me. Are you?
Make it,
What is it?
make it say
More
bye
than
AMC to the
more.
moon. To the moon.
AMC to the moon, baby.
To the moon. I'm sorry, you guys.
Oh my God, this thing is unbelievable. I love him.
Oh, God.
That's hilarious.
NASCAR all out. What do you think of Palantir? I love Palantir. Bye, Palantir.
Hey,
I'm getting my comments in my comment section, Michelle. It's saying, what do
Nora.
you think about Palantir? Did you buy it?
I bought it and sold it.
Okay.
In
You
and
made
out.
money, I hope.
Made money.
Making money with Michelle.
Making money with Michelle. Nora. Stock Explorer. Hey, try to get Ross on here and take me out.
I sent him the link. I sent it in his Discord.
Is he ready?
Rasta, click the link in the. I sent you the link in the Discord.
Tell him to go to his email and do it.
Yeah, or no, I sent it into his Discord group. Whew, that was funny.
That was funny.
You can't sell that. You can't sell that. It's not for sale. It's priceless.
It is for sale. If my Lambo's for sale, the toucan
Oh, no.
is.
Oh,
But I'll have fun with it. I'll have fun with him until then. But
Yeah,
Nora,
I know. You're gonna just be like, yeah.
Nora,
You're
you
gonna play
can buy
with it
him.
until you sell
Nora,
it.
you can buy him. You can buy him.
I would probably buy that. I like that. That would look cool sitting up on a shelf right there.
No, you just got to talk to him, and then he
I'll
auto repeats.
hold it.
He auto repeats twice.
You can sit him on your shoulder.
Well,
Okay, Rasta says he's joining. He says he's going to join.
but you got to take
When I
me
see
out.
it pop up, I'll add you on. I don't see it yet, Rasta.
You gotta take me out and put him in and let me go because
No!
I have to go. Well, let me tell him to come on in here. I gotta go. I gotta go.
You do have to go?
I do.
Oh,
I do. But if he's on here, tell him to come in here and
I
y'all talk.
think there's a little bit of a delay. It takes a second.
Is he around? Ross, where are you?
He said to check. He said check it now, but I don't see it popping up.
Is it
Rasta.
in your StreamYard? And he
No, it's not up here yet. But anyway, guys, if you're not subscribed, go to Michelle Morar. She has a YouTube. Gotta give her a big shout out for doing the live. We were gonna go live on Sunday night, but we wanted to try StreamYard out, and looks like we got it working good. So that was mission accomplished.
we'll do it again. I mean, sometime.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna do it again. We can I mean, it's up to you.
We'll do it again
But
sometime.
if you gotta go, you gotta go, Michelle. It is Saturday night. I don't want to hold you up too long. All right, guys, have a great night. Peace.
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 Peace.